Hey friends, it's Bridgette here. Now, if you think you need a grill for a jerk T-bone steak, baby, I'm about to change your mind. We do an overnight jerk marinade. Sear it just right. Finish it in the oven. And then we have got this rich sauce with portabella mushroom folded in. It carries over just as if it's part of the steak. And oh baby, the flavor does not lie. The full recipe is on my channel, link in bio. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get cooking. First, we start off by washing our meat with some vinegar in the water. Wash it, give it a dry. Then I move on to the seasoning process. So I added Easy Spice Jamaican meat seasoning, Maggi all-purpose meat seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, some green seasoning, which consists of garlic, onion, and bell peppers, Jamaican Grace browning. Then I give it a thorough rub, get all those herbs and flavors into the meat. After this was finished, I covered it up, put it in the refrigerator to sit for overnight. Now it's time to start the cooking process. I add a stick of butter, some thyme to the butter to release its aromatics. Then I added my steak. I let it sear on each side for 5 to 6 minutes. Then I remove it from the pan and let it rest. Then I move on to making my gravy. In the same saucepan, guys, I add some mushrooms, some sliced portabella mushrooms, and some yellow bell peppers. You can add whatever color you like. And I add some Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. I seared it off, sauteed it, caramelized it, then I add some water, keeping it in the same sauces. We don't want to remove that sauce from the pan. You don't want to remove that stickiness. You want to wake up the flavors from all those herbs that was seasoned on it when you put it to season from overnight. Or, you can let it sit for maybe like 2 hours, but overnight for more in-depth flavor. Then, if you look at my meat, nice color, very tender. I put it in the broil to give it a little bit of sear, guys, and get that nice jerk-like taste and texture. And oh baby, the flavor does not lie. Nice, soft, tender. You don't need a grill for this, guys. All in the oven. Look at that sauce, the flavor, the texture. Jerk T-bone steak without the grill, strictly in the oven. I serve this over mashed potatoes, mixed vegetables, which is carrots and broccoli. My entire family has been raving about this already, so I'm gonna let you decide how tender. Juicy, buttery, perfect. So this is my jerk T-bone steak, and I serve this over some mashed potato, some broccoli, carrot, and I have some cornbread here. Now, I'm gonna go sit and have my dinner, or have my dinner. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please give this video a love, not even a like, a love. Hit that like button, hit that share button, comment, watch the video to the end, guys. And until next time, I catch you in my upcoming videos. Let me know if you have ever had jerk roast beef before, okay? let me know if you have ever had it jerked. Okay? Oh baby, the flavor never lie. And until next time, God bless.